Want to know how to become a millionaire in 2025? It's not a dream, it's a strategy. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what I'd do to become a millionaire in just 1 year. If you want to turn your financial future around, stay tuned. Let's dive in. Section 1. Set clear financial goals. Step 1. Set clear, measurable financial goals. Without a target, you're just wandering. Being a millionaire isn't just about making money. It's about having a clear plan to accumulate wealth. I'd start by defining exactly what I want to achieve and by when. Setting a specific figure, say, $1 million by December 2025, and breaking that down into monthly or quarterly milestones gives you something concrete to work towards. Most people fail because they never make their goals specific enough. Without measurable steps, they don't have a path to follow. Section 2. Master the basics of wealth. Before jumping into any investment, I'd first make sure I master the basics of wealth building. Understanding concepts like saving, investing, and budgeting is key. I'd spend time daily reading financial books, taking online courses, and staying up to date on market trends. Wealth is built on knowledge, and the more you learn, the better decisions you'll make. Take time to learn about compound interest, how stocks work, what real estate investment really looks like, and how to minimize taxes. These small bits of knowledge compound over time. Section 3. Leverage high income skills. Step 3. Leverage high income skills. To make a significant income in a short amount of time, I'd focus on acquiring or enhancing skills that pay well. Think tech, sales, marketing, or consulting. These areas offer massive earning potential even starting with little experience. Let's be real, you're not going to make $1 million working a standard 9 to 5. You need a skill set that will put you in a position to negotiate higher paying opportunities, or create your own business around a skill you've mastered. Section 4. Invest aggressively in high ROI assets. Next up, invest aggressively in high return assets. Whether that's stocks, real estate, or even cryptocurrency, I'd be putting my money where it can grow the fastest. I wouldn't just be saving. I'd be looking for assets that offer high ROI. I'd start by investing in a diversified portfolio of stocks. Then, I'd look at undervalued real estate opportunities or explore the growing trend of investing in cryptocurrency. The key here is to be strategic. High-risk investments can yield high returns, but they can also wipe you out if you're not smart. Diversification is key. Section 5. Build multiple income streams. Don't rely on just one income stream. If I wanted to hit $1 million, I'd build multiple income streams. I'd keep my main job, but I'd also start side hustles, maybe an online business, drop shipping, or even freelance work. The goal is to scale up and automate as much as possible. Let's say I start with a digital product or course. Once I've created it, I don't have to keep working on it, it works for me. This is how wealth is built, by creating things that make money passively while I focus on growing new income streams. Section 6. Network and build relationships. Finally, networking and relationships. This one's often overlooked. I'd make sure I surround myself with like-minded, successful people. You never know who could give you that one tip or business connection that changes everything. I'd join mastermind groups, attend industry events, and connect with mentors. Networking is more than just exchanging business cards. It's about building mutually beneficial relationships that can open doors to opportunities, partnerships, and investments. If I wanted to become a millionaire in 2025, it'd come down to 4 things: setting clear goals, mastering wealth building basics, leveraging high income skills, investing in high ROI assets, building multiple income streams, and networking with the right people. Becoming a millionaire isn't about luck. It's about making the right moves consistently. So start today, stay focused, and remember, time waits for no one. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content like this.